Looking for something for that sweet tooth? Do you want ideas for something that caters to your cravings? Well, then these are just for you. 7 must-try tasty sweet treats. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to this channel now, so you can see the complete videos for each of these sweet treat recipes. Best ever mini spice cake. Create a tender spice cake that is full of buttery goodness, along with the warming flavors of ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves. Lemon citrus cake squares is a must-bake treat for those who love something that is delicious, decadent and tangy. Chocolatey chocolate chip peanut butter bars. These are simply delicious and full of chocolate and peanut butter flavor. It's like having a peanut butter cup. Looking for a homemade dessert to make for the whole family or get-togethers? These easy oatmeal cookie bars are perfect for beginner bakers. Simple, healthy, ultimate comfort. Yummy, super moist banana muffins. Enjoy these right out of the oven for a hot, tasty treat. These muffins are both delicious and nutritious. Yes, super quick and easy, tasty apple pie. Enjoy it right out of the oven with your favorite ice cream for a sweet, tasty treat. Oh yes, moist and tangy cranberry orange quick bread. This comes out perfectly moist and delicious. The cranberries in this treat is a heavenly game changer for sure. Which one of these 7 must-try tasty sweet treats will you make first? Comment below, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for great tasty food ideas. Thanks for watching.